Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with the trade of the day. And this is a pretty cool one, guys. PBYI. This was a short. Why is it kind of cool? Because look at this in the AI. Doesn't happen that often, but sometimes the same symbol will trigger in two different strategies, okay? And that's what happened. Both around the same price, but one was at 940. So if you missed it at 940, you had a chance to get in at 1013 at an actually slightly better price, 468. Remember, these are shorts. Tremendous percentage moves, 12% and 11%. And as I say, it doesn't happen that often. And, this week has been full of earnings, and this is another earnings play. And so, one of the reasons why I took this one, this is an all-time low now, no support whatsoever. I am very partial to the AI alerts that are under $20. So when I saw it was in two different strategies, and it was an earnings play, and now this is an all-time low. Too many things are going for it. I had to take this, and I'm still in it. I mean, it is still working. I took some off on that little pop-up here, took some off, but I mean, it is still working well, and I have no idea where it's going from here, but just an excellent alert, well, two alerts, I guess, from the AI today. So I want to get back into the trading room. Any questions for me, you can use this email address. I'll open the room Monday morning. Remember now, in North America anyway, for most states and provinces in North America, we move the clocks back 1 hour. So don't forget to do that. I'll open the room 9 o'clock Eastern time Monday morning. Hope everybody has a great weekend, and we'll see you then. Bye bye.